I live in a group of 2-storey townhouses built in 1983 in South Australia. The balconies are a sub. Some of the units have maintained their balconies and some haven't. One owner has asked the body corporate to pay for repairs, which include surface rust under the balcony and rotted timber balustrades. Is this to be covered by the strata as it's a sub?
Yeah. Okay, so this is definitely a Strata Titles Act 1 with it being built in 1983. The corporation is responsible for repairs to the original structure of the building. This would include the balcony, including rust to the main columns and the balustrades. The unit owner is responsible for the unit subsidiary, and the Strata Titles Act states that a unit subsidiary is defined by the upper surface of the floor, which we interpret meaning the owners are responsible for the waterproofing and the tiles on the balcony, the inner surface of the wall or fence, and the boundary is the inner surface is the boundary. The boundary's inner surface is the wall or the fence. In this case, the balcony railing where the balustrade would be the corporation's responsibility because it's the outside. So if you look at it like the wall, then your balcony balustrading would be your wall and the owner would be responsible for the inner surface. You could fight that maybe that means painting, but the balcony is part of the original structure, just like the roof. I would believe that that is a corporation's responsibility. Tiling is definitely a unit owner's responsibility. The plans for a Strata Titles Act are a little confusing because they don't necessarily outline the columns, the balustrades of a balcony, especially if it's a 2-storey unit that has these balconies and it just says yard subsidiary. So that's where the confusion can come in quite easily as well.